The way that we can help patients and the way that we can help their loved ones is, first of all, by dramatically changing how people discover these options. So right now, most people are not even aware that clinical trials are an option, and those who do know, and the majority of them also have a negative image because of, they don't have sufficient information or they don't have the good information about it. So the way that we can help is, first of all, making it much simpler, much more ubiquitous, that information, much more accessible in the type of information, but also to help their doctors, their physicians, their treating physicians to have access to similar information, to have access to the tools, so they themselves can also trigger that conversation with patients. So we are essentially making better information more accessible to more people. And we believe that that is going to make a huge impact into the way that people can, as I said, discover first and access new options for treatment. First of all, in terms of trust, absolutely, and we always say it, and when we speak with people from the pharma industry, we always say the same thing. When you say that you are going to recruit people or enroll people, that you're going to then randomize them, and you're going to call them subjects, well, of course it's going to be a subject issue, a trust issue. So the way that we can overcome it is by bringing better information, much more accessible to everybody, to speak directly in plain English, to explain things that were not explained before, to show with actions, transparency, clarity, and openness. And I think that will help demystify some of the things that people perceive and have concerns of trust. But it's a two-way thing. It's not just about helping patients understand better. It's also having researchers and pharmaceutical companies also take the patient centricity flag and actually take action about it. And I think, as I was saying before, in the last 5, 6, 7 years, you are seeing dramatic changes in there. So, again, I'm very optimistic, and I think that things are actually changing.